Hey guys, welcome to Skyline Spaces. As you all know that we have started this series to make you understand the processes that are followed in the modern era of interiors. A lot of homeowners does not know what are the steps and processes followed in home interiors. We will start with the term factory finish. Most of you have been hearing this term. Okay, your interiors will be from factory, your interiors are factory finish. A lot of you might have heard this term. Now, what is this factory finish interior? Factory finish interiors is something where most of the process is pre-done at the factory and being shifted to the site after 90% of your work is being done. Mainly, there are four things which happens at the factory. First thing is the laminate pasting, which happens at the factory. All the laminates are being pasted in the factory, and the second thing after the laminate pasting is the cutting of the panels at 90-degree level. Third thing is the edge banding of the same panel which are cut to size. And fourth thing is boring of the panels, which enables the easy assembly at your site. So guys, let me take you through the entire process at the factory and explain you what happens exactly at different levels. So, in the process of laminate pasting, we use the state-of-the-art tools and modern technology applicators. The glue application is optimized and it is applied to the entire panel in a proper manner, which allows the lamination in a precise way. And also we use hydraulic 50-ton weight which has been kept overnight, which enables the panels to have strong application of the laminates. The second thing is, after lamination of the panels, we do the cutting of the panels into 90-degree levels. So any modular interiors or the factory finish interiors whom you are getting the interiors done, this is the process which is followed. We will make you understand at different levels. After the lamination, these panels are taken to the cutting machine, and there all the optimization of the cut list is being done in an automated software where it enables and gives us the exact sizes. What are the side panel sizes, what are the door sizes, what are the back panel sizes, what are the shutter sizes. After all the optimization is done, the process follows. After the cutting of the panels, these panels are taken to edge banding. So if you see the raw ply which is being used for the lamination, and after cutting there are sharp edges which have been open and exposed. So in the process of edge banding, again you can see there are the state-of-art machines which have been used, and this edge banding machines enables the panel to have covered in all the exposed area and not leaving any sharp edge. So here in the edge banding machines, again pre-optimization is done and the glue also is being applied in a proper manner. The machine is automated again. So in the machine, the top bottom trimming happens, the edge banding application happens, and the pre-milling happens. In the end, it trims and all the panels comes out in a pre-finished way. So this enables the panels look very beautiful, and this also makes the furniture look very nice. After edge banding is done, again the panels are taken for boring. In boring, this is the method what is followed. It is again an automated process where the holes are being done, and the holes will enable the assembly of the cabinet, where minifix dowels and other things are utilized by the carpenters at the site for installations. So guys, this is the process what is being followed. As we have explained you, four things which are mainly taken care at the factory. It will help you to analyze what are the steps which most of them were not aware what happens in the factory.
तो दोस्तों, अगर आपको ये वीडियो और इसमें कंटेंट जो बताया गया है आपको अगर पसंद आया है तो आप इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, कमेंट करें।